this lesson will be English Form 2, Lesson 2. Okay. And in this lesson, you will be doing a few things. Again, it's the same topic. We haven't left the topic yet. That is 3R, reduce, recycle, and reuse. Okay, in this lesson, you will be listening to a to a audio. Okay, please switch off your mic. Okay. Listening to an audio, there's a little bit of error there. Later, I'll correct it. Listening to an audio. Okay, learn new vocabulary from the audio, unjumble letters to reveal the words. Okay, answer questions based on the audio and do some written work. Okay, now before we move on to the audio, let's look at the text first. Okay, this is the text. Okay, I have shared the PDF form of these slides. You can also look at that, or you can even click on the link and read the text there. Okay, or you can okay, are you all seeing any oh, okay, I did not share, right? Okay, let me share this. Can you all see the okay, can you all actually see the this one? The
Yes,
page?
teacher, I can see. I can see.
Can see. Okay, please. Thank you so much.
Yes,
You
teacher,
all
can
very
see.
kind to me.
Yes,
Okay.
they can see.
Okay, I will share the link with you all. Okay. What you all do? You all listen to it when you have free time. Okay. Once we are done with this class, then you listen. Okay. Now we don't have time because rushing for time, because you also have other classes. Is this the last class for the day? Is this the last class for the day?
Yes, this is the last
I'm
class.
not sure. I'm not sure.
Okay, very good. Okay, if it's the last class for the day, then you have lots of time. So what you can do, you can listen to the audio. I give you a few 1 minute. You please listen to the audio first. Click on the link and listen to the audio. Okay. Gajinishwar, please switch off your mic and listen to the audio. Click on the link and listen. Some people switched on your audio, your mic, so the sound is disturbing. Okay, I can hear everything actually. Okay, once you have listened, I also want you to look at this slide number 5, the one I'm presenting now. Okay, while you're listening, you can listen twice actually. Boleh dengar 2 kali ya. You boleh dengar 2 kali. While you're listening, please look at this slide and try to see the mistakes in the words here. Can you identify the mistakes? What you all can do, you can even go back to slide and check. Okay, but actually that's not the right way. If you want to become better at listening, you look at this and try to see the words. Tengok perkataan ni, apa perkataan, what is he trying to say? Okay, listen. See all this highlighted here, all bolded here, all this you kena tukar. Okay, nampak tak this one? Copy me. Copy me. Copy me means this you have to do in your exercise book. Ini dia indicator. Ini penanda dia. That means kerja ni kena salin dalam buku. Okay? And I want to remind you again, please write the day and the date. Okay? Please write the day and the date. Don't forget. Then you can keep track how much work you have done. Okay? Okay, who can give me what's the answer for the first one? If you want to talk, you can either switch on your mic, or you can raise your hand, or you can even write in the chat box. What's the first word? Okay.
Important.
Important. Yes, very good. Once you raise your hand, immediately say the answer. Okay, what is the second word? What is the second word? Anyone wants to raise your hand? Wants to say the answer? You can even type. Okay, can't see. Okay. Why? Because the screen. Oh, zoom. I'll zoom it for you. Okay, can you see now?
Yeah, teacher can see.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So
So
even I
small,
can see.
so small.
Okay, when I was young, we never used to.
Crazy.
Yes, the second word is crazy. How about the third word?
Different.
Different. Yes, very good. Okay, how about the next word? We use too much stuff. Actually, what is the meaning of stuff? Same word. Same word as stuff tu apa? Actually, stuff
Throw,
we
teacher, throw.
Pekerja.
Throw, teacher.
Things.
no, we use too much stuff. Stuff means things. Actually stuff ni bukan resmi lah perkataan yang standard. Stuff is like when you talk, like sometimes you see people, I don't like this stuff. I don't like this thing. Actually they mean thing, tapi they like to say the word stuff. Usually American English, you will hear this a lot. Stuff. Okay? We use too much stuff and throw everything away. Lots of the stuff we, what is this?
Throw, teacher.
Throw away is
Throw.
very useful. Okay. Sometimes they say this, another man's rubbish, another person's rubbish might be useful for another person, right or not? You buang tapi orang lain boleh guna barang tu. Betul tak? So that is why they want you to recycle. They want you to reuse because don't simply throw away. Okay, it can be used again. See, recycle. Okay, it can be. Then the next one, what's the word? This is good for the environment because we use fewer, what is this?
Alternate.
No.
Natural.
Yes, natural resources. Very good. So what I want you to do is I want you to challenge yourself. Don't go to the text. That's the easy way out. I told you there's one slide with all this, the correct text with all the words there with the correct spelling. Don't go to that. That's the easy way out. Tu cara senang. Okay, what you can do is you can always listen to the text, listen to the audio many times, then try to put in the words accordingly. You can learn two things here. First, your hearing will become very good. Next thing is that your spelling also become better. You buat dulu, then you check whether your spelling correct or not. Okay? There's a few more words here. I want you to do it by yourself. Buat sendiri. Yang ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kita dah buat. Another 5 more you do by yourself. Okay? Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Okay. Next slide. Next slide ke ni? Okay. Now, can you see the word here? Copy me. Wait, hold on. Is this slide number? This is slide number 6. Okay. Okay, now, here you have to think. Kena berfikir sikit. Okay, how could we have the earth become cleaner and greener? Okay, since the word copy me is here, this one you have to do it in your exercise book. Awak kena buat dalam buku lah. Okay, then please sekali je lah. You don't have to every time you do the same lesson tu tak perlu tulis tarik banyak-banyak kali. Just one time ni enough. Okay, how could we help the earth become cleaner and greener? Greener here means what? Banyak tumbuh-tumbuhan, everything looks healthy. That's the meaning of greener, bukan cat hijau tau. Ambil cat, warna everything hijau, building semua hijau. Not that. Greener here means what, there's lots of plants because there's lots of good natural resources for the plants to grow, for people to be healthy. That's the meaning of greener. Okay, now, list them down, look at the pictures to help you. Okay, teacher dah letak ada gambar dekat sini. If you cannot think, if you have your own idea, you can write. Tapi kalau hari tu you dah tak boleh fikir, you can write. Okay, last lesson, we did a few things. Okay, the earth will be cleaner and greener if we use reusable dishes. Ingat tak lesson 1? Siapa ingat lagi?
Saya ingat.
Ingat kan? Okay. Now, second one, look at this picture. What is the answer? Who wants to answer? Put up your hands, or you can even type it in the chat box. I can read. Muhammad Afiq Amsha. Nombor 1 mana you tak dapat? The text listening text ke? Yes. Who raised talk. Switch on your mic and talk. Okay. Tell me.
Teacher, Use
Taufik,
both sides of the paper.
Wait. Navina, hold on. Let Taufik talk first. Navina, okay. Taufik, talk. Taufik?
Use the both side of paper.
Yes, we should use both sides of the paper. Very good.
Paper.
Okay. If we look at the sentence here. Yes. Navina wanted to talk. Gajinishwar, okay. You talk first. Okay. After that, Navina, you tell me.
Use recycled bag, teacher.
Okay. Use reusable bag. Can you see the word there, down there? Reusable. Reusable. That means can pakai banyak kali. Okay, very good. Okay, where's Navina? She raised her hand.
Yeah, teacher. We can use less plastic bags.
Use less plastic bags. Okay. If the okay, whenever you write the sentence, make sure that it is correct. So you must read the whole thing. The earth will be cleaner and greener if we use less plastic bags. Okay. It's like that. Don't simply write use less plastic. Don't write use. If we use. Okay. If the word we must be here. Okay. That's why I gave you the first sentence here. Untuk tolong awak. Okay. Some more? Can you see the pictures there? Okay. I cannot see the picture. Dapat? Anyone else wants to answer? Raise your hand. Anyone else? Okay. Hey, don't simply leave the meeting lah. Let's finish the class and go out. Don't simply leave. Okay? Later, I will also share the YouTube link. I will re-record this lesson. Okay? I will share the YouTube link. You can also watch it. Okay? If you miss the class here, please inform your friends. Please inform your friends. Tell them. Okay, if you miss the class, if you tak dapat join online class too, teachers share YouTube link. You can also watch it there. That is called offline. Okay, offline. That means you are not masa Google Meet tak ada, tapi you still follow the lesson. Okay, that is what I want. Everyone should not be left out. All must join the class. Okay, can you see that? Recycle bin though. What sentence can you give me? The earth will be cleaner and greener if we recycle our what? What is this? All this? What is all this? Sampah.
Trash.
Trash. Or we recycle our waste pun boleh. Or if we recycle our garbage pun boleh. Betul. Okay? Next one. Can you see what the boy is doing?
Planting.
Plant more trees. Okay. Don't say planting. Say plant. The earth will be cleaner and greener if we plant more trees. Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's look at the last slide for the day, slide number 7. Okay, this one is a game. Here you will learn all the vocabulary. Okay, I have a problem with the word search, you know. I cannot find the words. Maybe because my eyesight is bad. Okay, if you click, don't do here. You must click this live worksheet. Okay, click here. I hope you can see. Okay, click the live worksheet. Bila you dah cari, you just drag your mouse you drag your like you are doing in your mobile phone, just drag. If you find the word, it will automatically cancel the word down here. So at the end, you click finish and you'll get the how many right answers you got up here. Okay, try doing it as many times. What you can do here is you can always track your time. Okay, okay. I took 10 minutes. Second time I got 7 minutes. Okay, third times 3 minutes. Your time. Okay, this live worksheet is quite interesting because it marks and it marks itself and the marks you got comes up. Okay, try this. words all related to recycling. Okay. 11:48 already. So what I'm see, can you see here? No copy me. That means don't copy this in your book. Okay. You see this sign only. Copy me. This one copy me. Okay. What else? Others all no. Only one. Only two. Two set of work for you today. This and this. Okay. This time we have left 11:50. I want you to take this time about half to finish your work. Immediately do your work. Up to you can post in Telegram. Don't use WhatsApp, please, because WhatsApp takes up space from the phone. Teacher punya phone pun is working too hard, so I don't want it to crash. So what I want you all to do is just snap and send it through Telegram. Ada orang send, tapi ada orang tak send. I'm quite upset because I'm worried whether you're doing your work. Siap tak kerja awak? Saya pun fikir ni siap tak kerja. Kalau form 1, yes, rajin. Form 2, I want to know. And then please the Google link tolong tanda. Yes, ada satu kesalahan dalam Google. Some people do both, you know. They also join the Google Meet and also watch the YouTube. Itu ialah gabungan dua cara belajar kan. Itu teacher tak letak. Tak apalah ni. Kalau you join Google Meet, itu yang paling baik lah. Just click there Google Meet. Kalau you tak dapat join Google Meet, you just put there mengikuti pelajaran melalui YouTube. Okay, I've actually put into. Please ask your friends to also put in the attendance because I'm going to check which class is the best. Semalam tu satu Siantan, satu Cempaka, satu Siantan won by a few percentage more. Siantan lebih aktif join teacher punya kelas. So please rajin sikit fill up the attendance form. Some people come in and then terus tinggalkan the Google Meet. I don't know what's the problem. I'm also quite worried about you all. Sebab lepas ni bila kita when we are going to meet face to face, I don't think so. I will start off with all this that I've taught, you know. So kita akan teruskan topik yang teacher belum ajar saja. Okay? So you can join the class. Either you watch the YouTube ataupun you join Google Classroom. Because English sometimes if you don't practice, it's language, I know. Language always, kalau kita tak practice, it will go to waste. Okay, you will forget because that's not our mother tongue. Okay, English is not teacher's mother, not our mother tongue. So mother tongue tahu kan bahasa ibunda. So if you don't practice that, then habislah rasti tahu berkarat. Nanti when you want to talk to people, so lidah pun kelu. So now you all know PT3, right? Next year you will be tested on all the 4 skills. First will be listening, second speaking, next reading, next the last one be writing. So all 4 skills 25 markah, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. So gabung together only you will see whether you get 100% or not. Okay, I don't want it so badly like dapat 5-6 markah untuk listening speaking, lepas tu writing tinggi, reading tinggi, tapi bila gabung still you don't get the high marks. Okay, so all 4 skills are very important. Okay, remember that. Okay, now can you all use this time, this 20 minutes or 30 minutes to finish your work? Okay, so we will meet next week. And sorry for all the technical errors. Teacher still learning. Teacher son pun sometimes stress with teacher because I keep on asking. So that's how, you know. Even you ask teacher 100 times also, I must teach you patiently. Okay? I cannot say, oh, I cannot. I won't get angry, definitely, because that's my job. So please feel free to message. Feel free to ask any question. Okay? Don't rasa malu ke segan ke nak bertanya. Kalau tak bertanya, habislah, you also won't learn anything. Please message, boleh PM teacher, atau you rasa question tu akan benefit all the people in the group, you can even put in the main group, our English group, Telegram group. Okay, semua orang boleh baca soalan tu, bila teacher jawab, semua orang boleh dapat kebaikan. Okay, so shall we meet next? Hope to meet next week with a better advancement in my technology skills. Okay, dengan harapan teacher punya skill teknologi sudah improve lah. Hopefully I will give you all the links. Don't worry. I will also share with you all in the group. Also, I will share the YouTube. In a while, I'll share the YouTube, the same lesson recorded in the YouTube will be shared. So at that time, I will share everything. Okay. So don't worry. Okay, bye. Take care. You can
Okay,
leave
bye,
now.
teacher.
Bye,
Okay,
teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
teacher.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye.
Teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Take care. See you all next week. See you all next week.
Bye.
Okay. I give you all time. Don't worry. Anything you all want class a bit late, also you can ask permission. Like you have the other class, you have extra time. You have need to take extra time. You can ask me earlier. Maybe I can go slow with the time because our English is the last class, right? Okay. Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Teacher.
Bye.
Bye.
teacher.
Bye. Bye. Okay, I'll share the link in the group. Okay, bye.
Hi. Hello, Kishore.